you know, they both have tendencies to kind of slow down a bit during the match. So this third set, we always say all-important third set.
Right now, the magic number 7 is the fourth errors of both teams.
To that lead, talking about signal, PLDT, maybe a substitution here and there. You got to change what's going on.
Lena Samoilenko officially gets to the 20-point mark.
She can serve as an inspiration for aspiring players.
Erica Santos will be forced to give that soft touch. Cés Molina does not get through the defense of Kat Arado. Lena Samoilenko will challenge the defense of Jack Junella. MJ Perez this time around from the back row.
Tit for tat.
That will be free ball for the HT Spikers. Oh, 1-2 play for Jel Cayuna in the most unexpected time.
Lena Samoilenko is a workhorse. You know, I mean, she tries to go for every ball, so they try to change things up, and they have been successful.
Not just on the floor defense, but also the reception.
Also,
she's one of the steadiest. I mean, bago pa man siya ma-injure, nakita na natin yung skill set ni Jovi Prado, and that can change the flow of PLDT.
Oh, what a dig!
Cés Molina will try to power through, but she gets blocked by Majoy Baron.
We're saying they have been quiet here in the third set, and Majoy Baron begs to disagree with a stuff block.
Yet this was only in the back of the court, and now she will serve for the white shirt.
That's another great one.
Yeah. Shank pass from Signal. Oh! Miscue between Jovi Prado.
I mean, but if you are a coach, you would rather see this. You know, two players going for it. Good response, JD by Signal.
I like the point that you made earlier. Signal doesn't want a long lull. Baka mawala pa yung momentum nila. Now, these teams are exchanging blows. PLDT, Troncoso from Signal HD. But the high speed hitters need to score consecutive points. They have to replicate.
But it's still a good reminder that, okay, we can actually use the middles to our advantage.
But that's it. MJ Perez will again deal the finishing blow for the HT Spikers. Up 2-1 against the PLDT high speed hitters.